Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Okay, Tesla running up 799.49. Our next key level is 816. It's trading back down to 784 right now after hours. There's a report coming out that they can't reopen their plant early. I think it's been extended, the lockdown or the shelter in place is through May in Alameda County now. So we're going to have to find out about that. It's off a bit after hours. Key support updated retracement levels. Our key level we'll be watching on the pullback is a 755, about 750 to 755. That's the rising rotation zone and the 12.5% pullback. If we did drop below that, we have the 25% pullback with the bottom of the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart coming in at 711. Still 816 key level higher than 857 above that. We also got a after hours mini divergent sell signal, so just know where your stops are. Again, not trading advice, just letting you know what we're looking at. Switching over to the daily. Also, this might be setting up for a pretty big daily divergence. So we have a new high, and it's going to be tough to exceed this high in earlier, but it can still happen. But just be prepared. Know where your stops are. Major support on the daily. First level is this little support shelf right in here. Let me zoom in a bit so it's easier to see. So you see this little support shelf right in here. This key open, just above this key close, just below this key close, and with the rising rotation zone about 725, and then major support coming in at the 37.5% retracement area, and rising rotation zone down about 665. Those are all your key levels we're watching on Tesla. Hope everyone's doing well. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.